Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Passive income is more achievable than ever, and in 2025 there are fresh opportunities to make it happen. In this video, we'll explore passive income ideas that actually work today. Let's dive in. Passive income idea. First up, dividend stocks. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can earn regular payouts just for owning their stock. Platforms like Robinhood and Webull make it easy to start, even with a small amount of money. Remember, the key is picking solid companies with a history of consistent dividends. Passive income idea 2. Real estate isn't just for the wealthy anymore. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate projects with as little as $10. You earn money through rental income and property appreciation, all without managing tenants or repairs yourself. 4. Passive income idea. Do you have skills or knowledge to share? Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos. Platforms like Gumroad and Udemy handle the sales for you, and once it's live, it keeps earning you money. 5. Conclusion and call to action. Passive income takes effort up front, but the rewards are worth it. Whether you choose stocks, real estate, or digital products, start small and stay consistent. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and share your favorite passive income idea in the comments below. Let's make 2025 your year for financial freedom. Why passive income matters. Before we jump into the ideas, let's talk about why passive income matters. 1. Financial security. Passive income gives you a safety net. If you lose your primary job or face unexpected expenses, these extra streams can keep you afloat. 2. Time freedom. Passive income isn't just about money. It's about reclaiming your time. With a steady flow of income, you can spend more time with family, pursue hobbies, or even travel the world. 3. Wealth building. When reinvested, passive income accelerates your wealth growth. Imagine earning dividends from stocks, reinvesting them, and watching your portfolio grow exponentially. In 2025, the digital age has made creating passive income easier than ever. Now let's explore some of the best ideas for this year. First on the list is one of the most classic and reliable forms of passive income: dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that distribute a portion of their profits back to investors as cash payments. Here's why they're great for passive income. 1. Steady income. Top companies like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, and Apple have a long history of paying dividends. These payments often come quarterly, providing consistent cash flow. 2. Long-term growth. Dividends grow over time as companies increase payouts. For example, investing in a dividend aristocrat, a company that has increased dividends for 25+ years, can yield significant returns. How to start. Open a brokerage account with platforms like Fidelity or Robinhood. Research companies with high dividend yields, but beware of unsustainable payouts. Reinvest your dividends to take advantage of compound growth. With as little as $100 to start, you can grow a portfolio that pays you for years to come. Passive income idea. Want to earn from real estate but don't have hundreds of thousands to buy property? Real estate crowdfunding is your answer. How it works. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul pool money from investors to purchase and manage properties. You earn passive income from rental income, paid out regularly. Property appreciation. Earn a share of profits when properties are sold. Why it works in 2025. Real estate continues to be a stable investment. With crowdfunding, you can start with as little as $10, and platforms handle all the management work for you. Pro tips. Research platforms carefully and check for fees. Diversify by investing in multiple properties or real estate funds. With minimal effort, you can add real estate to your portfolio and enjoy long-term growth.